tracking more a little bit towards the coast of Cuba. Now that could help to interrupt the circulation a little bit. Landmass there, some of the mountains right there would interrupt it and maybe weaken a little bit more. That's Saturday morning, 8 a.m. Then tracking a little bit more towards the west, only a little bit more. This is Sunday morning, 3 a.m. and coming up through southwest Florida now, in the Middle Keys here, Sunday morning, 8 a.m. is a Category 4 hurricane, and then continuing to move generally up just more or slightly more west of the lake. We are still in the cone. We will still get hurricane force winds, although now maybe those winds might be just a little bit less, and that's only might. This will be a Category 4 as it moves west of the lake and generally up through the center of the state. We're on the right side of the storm, the strongest side of the storm. We'll still have tornado watches. We will still get heavy rain and gusty winds. These are the computer model tracks, and they're all kind of congregating right there over central Florida. And then moving into Georgia, but as a tropical depression. I want to get to the winds right here to show you that Saturday afternoon our winds will be 40 to 45 miles an hour. Okeechobee, 30 miles an hour. Treasure Coast, about 30 miles an hour. And as we get into Saturday evening, and particularly Sunday, watch Sunday. 6 a.m. Those are Category 1 winds, 75 in Boca Raton, 50 Wellington, 50 Port St. Lucie, 45 Okeechobee. This is Sunday 9 a.m. Those are 85-mile-an-hour winds in Boca Raton, near 60 in Wellington, 55 Port St. Lucie, Okeechobee, 50, 60 in Belle Glade. This is Sunday at noontime. These are wind gusts over 100 miles an hour in Boca Raton, 70 in Wellington, Royal Palm of the Gardens, 75 Belle Glade. That's Category 1. 60 in Okeechobee, Fort Pierce, Stewart, Port St. Lucie, 65 Sunday at noon. Look at Sunday afternoon. Even with a hurricane, if it does move west of the lake, we are still deep in hurricane force winds here of 115 to 100 miles an hour Palm Beach County and Treasure Coast near 80 to 90 miles an hour. Even Sunday at 5 p.m., that's probably going to be our strongest winds, near 130 in Belle Glade, near 125 to 130 along our coast, 110 to 115. That's major Category 3 winds. All right, Laura's got more. She's got more, including, I think she's got some of the track and also the